What's up guys, and the big beast news has arrived. Samsung is about to unlock the true potential of the Galaxy S20 family. In case you don't know already, Samsung is bringing the S20 family with 120Hz display set to 1080p only. There is no Quad HD 120Hz refresh rate option, which you will see on OnePlus 8 and Oppo Find X2. These two devices are gonna be head-to-head competitor to the Galaxy S20 family, and of course at the same time being cheaper as well. So this does put Samsung in a weird position, and now thanks to the information via Ice Universe, we might actually be getting what we want. According to the tweet, Samsung is currently testing out this new refresh rate options with the upcoming firmware for the S20 family. So we have three options: high, dynamic, and standard. The high mode will force 120Hz at all times, possibly on Quad HD resolution as well. Then we have the dynamic mode, which is going to switch between 60 and 120Hz dynamically, in return giving you more battery life, while at the same time giving you that 120Hz buttery feeling. And then we have the standard mode, which sets the refresh rate to just 60Hz only if you really want to conserve that battery. So judging from the new refresh rate options, we might actually see the 120Hz Quad HD Plus option unlock on the S20 family, which is the true beast mode. Also in the news, Qualcomm has officially announced the brand new X60 5G modem, which is based on 5nm process. This is a standalone modem with a brand new peak download speed of up to 7.5 GB per second thanks to the aggregation spectrum. It's also slimmer compared to the previous modem, so the future flagship phones with 5G can now be even slimmer. Again, it is based on 5nm process, which means that next year's chipset will be coming at that level. So Snapdragon 875 and a AMD powered Exynos chip will come next year, most likely rocking the X60 5G modem. Now this is a standalone modem, so it can actually be paired with future flagships of this year. So we might see it with Galaxy Note 20 or the Galaxy Fold 2, which is coming as well, or maybe even with the new iPhones, which are now confirmed to use the Qualcomm modem. So things are definitely looking exciting for Qualcomm. Now Galaxy S20 family is not on the market yet, but the major analyst that goes by the name of Ming-Chi Kuo, he has a great record, says that this year's S20 sales will be around 30 to 32 million units, which is definitely not at the level of Galaxy S10 family. That could be because of the prices this year, but then again Samsung is still selling the old flagships even cheaper now. Obviously it is a prediction, we'll see how that will go, but Galaxy Z Flip is doing so good. Right now in the Philippines it is actually sold out. It's coming to India very soon as well, so we'll see how the response will go in that market. Overall, the Galaxy Z Flip is in high demand because it's not just about the specs that matters the most, it's also a whole new different experience which this phone is offering that is just not possible on any Samsung phone out there. So that is the latest Samsung scoop. The Galaxy S20 family will get the full beast mode potential thanks to the new software update. It can happen right out of the box with the new update. These options can be added, and considering the pricing this time around, Samsung really should give us a Quad HD Plus option regardless of battery life. It's completely up to users. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and in case you guys don't know already, I am giving away Galaxy Buds Plus, so in order to win that, be sure to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave one comment on this video, which was the S20 top 10 features. Link will be down below in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.